Hi, today we will fix not working of key combinations in Teamviewer in remote PC. And as you can see, I'm on a remote PC on Teamviewer, but I cannot work with the combined keys in the PC connected. It's only working in my computer. Okay. So we're just going to fix it. Now simply open your Teamviewer, go to Settings, Remote Control. Here, Send Key Combination is unchecked. Okay. Now simply check the box. Click OK and done. And now I'm just again reconnecting the earlier PC. And typing the key combinations. And yes, these are working. First of all, Run, then Mobility Center, and then Task Manager. Okay, now the problem is solved just by some simple clicks, and do yours. And let me know on the comment box. I hope you subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.